So here are the 15 signs God is about to send you the right person you need. Number 1. You'll have to decide what qualities you want in your spouse and which flaws you can live with. 2. Things you used to dislike in someone will change your perspective. 3. You learn to appreciate every experience and lesson you learn along the way. 4. He will test you to see who your ideal person is until you realize what you want. 5. Others will stir up your emotions because they reflect the dark side of you that needs to be changed for the better. 6. He will make you realize that God is the center of your relationship. 7th, the signs you seek from Him will be confirmed, and you will never be confused. 8. People around you will be dropping hints and clues about wedding dress, ring, a great relocation, and guests. 9. No words can describe how you knew you'd met the one. When you know, you know. 10th, if you have specific requests for the man God has chosen for you, He will fulfill them. 11, He is providing you with a man or woman who will complement your attitude through ups and downs. 12, the person He has chosen for you will display God's faithfulness and unconditional love. 13, He is requesting you to have patience. 14, He wants you to write down what you want and be specific about it. And the last, 15, you will arrive at the person at an unexpected time, place, and moment.